I feel, brother?
Great.
Welcome to Sturgis, boy!
Yeah, let the band go.
Don't you guys have like a big trailer out at the Buffalo Chip too?
Yeah.
I saw that because I got a location there and over here, so I'm a vendor.
Yeah,
so.
we'll be up there all week.
You gonna be riding around at the Buffalo Chip with this?
Should I go?
That's funny, man.
Yeah, here's Erica.
Go ahead and take
You doing some body paint today?
Yeah, we're gonna go grab lunch and then begin.
And then scrub it all out?
Yeah, I'm ready for it.
Yeah,
Right.
we're doing a Budweiser painting.
We're doing Budweiser today.
Budweiser, nice,
Yeah.
okay. I'll be there, come see me.
I will.
Okay,
I'm gonna be on the podcast again.
cool.
That's one there's the body thing.
Yeah, she's cranked the shit out. She was telling me that it's hard to get that damn paint off her. Like she bought that fucking loofah. He said you need some shades. Oh, we're set up right next to you guys at the One Eye Jacks. Yeah, we're vendors. We're right next door. Over there with Justin. Yeah.
His mom is one of the bartenders. He came up to us today and asked if we could hire him. $10 an hour, help out, you know. Like when Justin's not here,
Yeah.
I'm the only one in this booth. He's the only one in that booth. So we have a rover to like 3
He's hustling. He's hustling.
He hustles.
He stopped. I was like, you guys need some better sunglasses, right? So he's hustling.
He talks to everybody.
Yeah. I should have said Inferno sucks, man.
I should really rattle.
Did you eat, Christine?
Yeah,
What'd you eat?
I had cheese fries.
Cheese fries. Okay.
You know what looks really good? The neighbors were eating the gyro fries. They look really good.
Oh, they had the. Oh yeah.
Did you get something already or not yet?
Yeah, I had full
Yeah.
pork. It don't
Okay.
get soggy, so you know, you just wait till you guys got back.
But you already got one.
Yeah, the pulled pork is chopped too thin, so it's kind of mushy. It feels
It's like
mushy.
more like a manwich then.
Yeah, it feels
Yeah.
kind of mushy in your mouth. So
I might just get the noodles and me and Mario share though. Just doing a few videos. Yeah. Yeah, I was doing their bikes, not there. Yeah. Oh, hold on a second.
Where's people at?
I know. I was like, maybe they're all spending their money at Highway Leather. I don't know.
I don't see nobody in Highway Leather. Hey, what's up, Chris?
This is a big spot.
Hey. Huh?
Yeah, we're wondering where's all the people too.
Oh. People are coming.
They're coming. They're coming. Yeah.
But maybe. Okay.
Yeah.
Evening, I think tomorrow evening. Friday evening.
There, all these news reports. 700,000 bikers are on their way.
I don't know.
On the way.
Oh, bro, this morning, like I have.
What happened? What?
The best Cindy. Since she's gonna be here, but the best
Wait.
way to park
Hey.
to come.
So where are you at right now? I got some bags from Con to take back to the chip.
Everybody said they seen you're posting or Marie's posting on Facebook. That's why they come and find us.
Oh, yeah, on Facebook.
Yeah.
Yep. Just to let you know, they're 25 or have a special 2 for 40. My family custom make all our little headbands. So did you guys see some crazy stuff last night at the Buffalo Chip?
Not really.
Not really?
I mean, it was pretty chill actually. There were, I don't know, one gal that was flashing people periodically,
Yeah.
and then another gal that was with her. They decided to let people in their own little group
Yeah.
lick her nipples. That was about as crazy as it got.
Yeah. No, I told
One of the
him.
dudes lifted his shirt up, and one of the dudes licked his nipples.
Yeah. You want that one? There's 25.
5 or 2 for
This one you said?
This guy's gonna take your money.
There you go. Out of 4. You need a bag? There you go. Okay, thank you.
Just pull it off of here,
Yeah, you want? Here, I'll take them off for you if you want.
Pull it off and put it on, right?
right?
Nice.
Oh, this one more time. Let me. Let me chase him real quick. I take it you guys are a couple?
We're not.
You're not? Or good friends?
We work together.
All right. Let me get a picture of you guys. We're gonna actually a quick video.
Put the shirt on the ground.
There you go. And a quick video right here. Nice. All right. Thank you guys.
Yeah, you're welcome.
Yeah. All right. I got him. Watch out with this guy. No. They're giving us the evil eye already.
Who was?
No, those bikers are looking. They were kind of shaking their heads.
I was getting ready to stop.
Well, somebody on the podcast asked me, "Where's all the good-looking guys at?" Right? I don't know where he went. Hey, what's going on?
How's it going, man?
What are you doing?
You know, living it. How
Yeah,
about you?
not bad. We're right here in the middle of the party. And John, how's John doing?
Those are like 7. A little slow, but
Yeah, it is. They're just starting to come in.
Yeah.
So, you bring your bike?
yeah. I got here Monday afternoon.
Are you? Have you, John, been riding around or anything?
Yeah, me and him. He actually took off today.
Okay.
Sure, he watched his booth because she couldn't open.
Yeah.
So me and him took off. We did 100 miles.
Nice. Is he back at the booth?
Yeah, he's back.
Okay. I'll run over there and go see him. Babe, John's friend, Mike.
Hi. Good to
Yeah.
see you.
Yeah. Well, this is where we're going to be. And then we got the Buffalo Chip.
Okay.
All the concerts and everything there, you know. They got Kid Rock this year. Puddle Muds tomorrow. What's the other one? Buck Cherry. Shine Down, REO Speedwagon. ZZ Top's going to be there without Dusty. That's going to be really interesting. So they got a good venue this year. So I can't wait. We'll be
Yeah,
there.
I'll probably go over there Saturday. Friday, Saturday, they got the hill climb over there.
Yeah.
So I'm going to go over there Saturday.
Yeah, that's crazy over there. Yeah. Everything, anything goes, man. God, they're doing that shit and everything. Yeah. You gonna go see that? Nice. Yeah. Take some pictures and stuff.
Yeah.
I'll try to make it out there. I'll see. But like, this is my lunch, man.
Good seeing you, man.
All right, we'll see you, Mike. Okay, take care. He came in just to ride with John. He said, yeah. Okay.
It's still early though. They're all handmade. How much are they? Okay, 8 and 10. Which is better than those places down there where there was one.
No, I told him, babe,
I like my head.
he had the circumcision. I told him your wife will do it for free like that.
Like, I think I'm the wrong demographic.
I told him. He had a circumcision last month
Oh, damn.
because he had an infection. But I told him, I said, he had to go to the doctor, right? He has insurance, so but had to have copay. I said, well, shit, you should have just let your wife did it. She would have did it for free and enjoyed it. He's talking about next door, too.
Oh, yeah. You need to get it.
I'm gonna go upstairs see what's going on.
Girls dancing.
I know. Maybe there's something for everybody.
Do you have our card? Hold on.
Where's your wife, man?
Buffalo Chip. She's at the Buffalo Chip right now. Where is my? Here's my cards.
And your friend whose husband died 10 months ago.
Oh, Luz.
Yeah, where is
She stayed home because, well, you know our channel, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. So Luz stayed home because she had to sell her house.
Picture, man. Selfie. You know, I wouldn't be Filipino if we didn't.
I know, right?
selfie,
Have you
man.
been home to the Philippines?
Yeah, 19.
I want to go, but
2019.
Everything is
Back again.
yeah, lockdown again, man.
All right, buddy. There you go.
Lockdown again. I want to
Put that on your YouTube. You're gonna have
send me the picture on my
100,000.
phone. Send me the picture on my phone. Yeah, my number's on the card. Yeah, send me that picture.
Yeah, let me see what's going on upstairs.
Ladies, go enjoy them. The car, you can go this way too.
Yeah, I know, but which way? This way too, right?
You can go this way, check them out over here, and
No,
then go that way.
I want this one because the
Then go that side.
Fender is really nice.
Yeah, I know.
You know?
I know all of them.